The sun crawls slow across the sky. Ashes in the wind, echoes that never die. I hear the ghosts in the silent plains, whispering all my losses, whispering all my pains. I live behind fires I couldn't tame, names on my lips I can't reclaim. The road stretched empty beneath my wheels. Every mile carried a wound that heals. I thought I'd vanish, fade from the earth, but echoes return to remind me my worth. Not the kind of word that they write in gold, but the kind that's heavy, the kind that's cold. Ashes and echoes follow me still, through desert and rain, through shadowed hills. Every flame I burn, every tear I wet, ashes and echoes, the company I kept. I saw her face in the morning haze, a fleeting vision of forgotten days. I tried to speak, but the words fell dead, like promises broken, like prayers unsaid. The wind carries laughter I can't forget, moments of love and moments of regret. I ride these roads with a heavy hand, trying to find peace in a barren land. Ashes and echoes follow me still, through desert and rain, through shadowed hills. Every flame I burn, every tear I wet, ashes and echoes, oh, the company I kept. May redemption waits at the horizon line, maybe forgiveness comes in its own time. But until then I ride with the ghosts I made, through the echoes of night, through the ashes they lay. A light of smoke, watch it twist and fly, ashes drifting like the years gone by. I whisper her name to the sky so wide, hoping she hears me where angels hide. The road bends slow, the night turns cold. I carry my stories, the ones untold. Every scar I bear is a song to sing. Every echo hums like a broken string. I see the dawn, a fragile light. It paints the dust in soft twilight. And though my hands are bruised and worn, I ride with ashes, echo reborn. Ashes and echoes follow me still, through desert and rain, through shadowed hills. Every flame I burn, every tear I wet, ashes on slow, the road lies bare. I keep moving forward through the open air. Ashes and echoes, my only friends. I ride until the road ends and begins again.